You're watching Fox 10 Arizona Morning with Ron Hoon, Rick D'Amico, Andrea Robinson, Kristen Anderson, and Corey McCloskey in HD.
Mac and cheese in a grilled cheese sandwich.
I'm going over there right now.
Okay, well, wait for me.
Okay.
All right, we've got there's Chef Jay right there from the district. He's going to show us what they're doing over there.
You're watching Fox 10 Arizona Morning.
Well, we are just having a wonderful time here with Chef Jay Baginski from the district. American Grill.
American Kitchen, right?
American Kitchen,
Wine bar in there as well.
And wine bar, and it's downtown in the Sheraton.
Yep, right on 3rd Street in Van Buren, right kind of in the epicenter of downtown.
It is.
You guys do such creative stuff on the menu. Like every time you come in, I thought, how'd you think of that?
Well, our thing is kind of to take American food and have a little attitude with it, or have a little edge on it, or take it up another level. You know, take things that people can identify with growing up, but do it at a higher level. Use the best ingredients you can, and take it to another level. But things that people can relate to. Stuff
so
that's
with
not
this macaroni and cheese, you're not opening up like a thing of Kraft and an envelope.
Blue box.
Absolutely not. You know, we're really well known for our happy hour too, and one of the things on there is our baked mac and cheese.
Okay.
I had the pleasure. I was in Chicago this summer, and I was everywhere I was going, these bars and gastropubs, and looking at these places, and I'd see these griddled mac and cheeses, all different variations of it. I said, well, we've got the best mac and cheese back home, so when I get back there, I'm gonna find the best bread I can. So I went and got MJ's Pullman.
Okay.
You know, youngest master baker in the country, MJ Coe, Tammy Coe's other half.
Oh, sure, yeah.
And then, you know, we take Shriner's sausage.
From downtown.
Beer hot, so that's a beer hot sausage. We take Cheez-It crumbs. We got Herkimer white cheddar, so 3-year white cheddar.
Okay.
And then the secret ingredient then is white American. It makes the best Philly cheesesteaks, makes the best grilled cheese sandwiches.
Okay.
Okay, so.
But, you know, for cheese sauce, you know, you can put just about whatever you want in the cheese sauce. You need to start with maybe a quarter of it being a Velveeta, but we use a white cheddar, we use a Fontina, we use, you know, we mix 4 or 5 cheeses into that, and it's what do you like? If you like blue cheese, put it in there. If you don't, that's what I tell people. Recipes are kind of guidelines, but you put in there what you like.
Okay.
And then you know, we're doing elbow macaroni. You can do whatever you like.
It doesn't have to be elbow, right? It could be like little shells.
It could literally be whatever you like.
Yeah.
And that's what it's more so about. A little bit of the sausage.
Okay.
Some of the
Cheez-Its.
Some of the cheese sauce. You're really just making sure that it's velvety.
Yeah.
It's about being creamy, smooth, velvety.
Look at that already. Let me stir that.
Then I'm
do you want this too?
We'll throw a little bit of the white cheddar in there.
All of it or a little bit?
Go for it.
All of it? Okay.
And then the Cheez-It crumbs you got right in front of you.
Crumbs. You just put that on top, or do you mix it in, Chef?
Go ahead, throw it on.
Okay.
When we serve in the restaurant, we'll bake it in a dish like that.
Like this?
But for this, I mean, again, this is something really easy too. You make enough for 6 people. You got the kids over, you got your children over, you got friends over.
Love that.
Anything. And it's a ton of fun. It's something they can even do too. It's just that easy.
It's like a grown-up version of hot dog and mac and cheese, which we all ate when we were little.
When are you going to put that on?
We'll serve it with a knife and fork.
That's how you serve.
And that's a griddled mac and cheese sandwich.
Oh my God.
Get out of town.
And it's part of our Nothing Over 9 at noon. So again,
is this the presentation? Is this
that's exactly how you'll get it. We do a whole bunch of things at the restaurant, Nothing Over 9 at noon. We've been doing it all year. Really trying to build that loyalty downtown. And just to show, you know, we're not dumbing anything down. We're doing the Sing Farm honey wings, cilantro, lime, salt, pickled chilies. We're doing the Shriner's cheese fritters with the trio of mustards. We're doing fennel pollen and shrimp cups. So again, it's everything, you know, an all-American beer and wine list, all vintage soda as well. Sodas from 1925 to 35.
Dad's old-fashioned root beer, one of my faves. Yeah. And Bubble Up. Oh yeah.
You guys just outdo yourselves every time you come in here. Thank you so much, Chef Jay.
Well, thanks for having us.
Come and check out that sandwich down here, downtown at District, for sure.
Okay, at the Sheraton.
Okay.
Thanks, Chef.
Thank you.
Okay.